Hello, curious learners. Today, we're going to explore some incredible animals that fly high in the sky. Let's take a closer look. First up, we have birds. Birds come in all shapes, sizes, and colors. From the tiny hummingbird to the majestic eagle, each bird is unique. Hummingbirds are tiny and fast. They can flap their wings so quickly that they hum just like a helicopter. Next, we have butterflies. Butterflies are beautiful insects with delicate wings. They come in all sorts of colors, like red, blue, and yellow. Butterflies love to sip sweet nectar from flowers. They use their long, straw-like mouth called a proboscis to drink. Eagles are big and strong. They have sharp eyesight and powerful wings that help them glide effortlessly through the air. Last but not least, we have bats. Bats are special because they can fly at night. They use echolocation to find their way in the dark. And there you have it, amazing animals in the air. Birds, butterflies, and bats are just a few of the incredible creatures that call the sky their home. Keep looking up and exploring the world around you. Reminder to subscribe to the channel for more fun learning videos.